Hey, welcome to the chain. This is my easier version with my amazing homemade capo. And here's that intro. We've got this kind of first finger on string 1 fret, string 2 fret 1, and your second finger here on string 3 fret 2 if you like. And capo your second fret if you've got one, or you can just play this in a normal position down here. I kind of alternate on this. Okay, so it's string 6, hold that chord shape, 6, 4, 2, 3, 1. 6, 4, 2, 3. Hammer that string 2 onto fret 3. Okay, and you do that again. To the third bar now. And we do our hammer on again. That's the fourth bar. Repeat the open string again. Fifth bar. Sixth bar, then the seventh bar, we do the open string again. So you're alternating between 6, 4, 2, 3, 1, 6, 4, 2, 3, hammer on string 2 onto fret 3. Okay, so let's do that again. Fifth bar, sixth bar, seventh bar, and then we've got this thing that finishes off, which is we're going to call that a D chord, like a D, and we kind of strum that down, down, up, all these kind of strings, and then we go and hit string 5 with our second finger, we pull off, and we play the bass strings. That finishes the thing off. So here's the whole intro now. And then of course you're into the singing, so let's take a look at the chords first. I'm not going to pick out every little piece of this riff, we're just going to kind of get a sense of all the chords. So we've got this D shape, we're going to do the same thing there, so first chord, then we're going up here to, I'm going to call this fret 1 where the capo is just here to make it easy. We're going up to fret 5. And you can either just hold this shape. I'm barring the top 3, the top 4 strings, but then I've got the third finger on string 3. That's going to be 7 for you up there. Double check. Little finger there on 10 there. Oh, sorry, fret 8 there. So that's 5. And then you've got 7 and 8. Now this is the riff you can play. Take the little finger off and you've got the second here. You can get that one ready, right? Or you can just hold that shape there like that. If you find that hard, just play this shape with these couple of fingers on. But what I'm playing is, we're going to call that the G shape, okay? So the first one is the D shape, the G shape, this is the C shape, this third chord, and I know it looks nothing like a regular C, but it uses the notes from it, so it's string 5 frets 3, and then you get your third and your fourth fingers, you can hit all those 5 strings, then you slide it down, and that's all the shapes. Let me play that section. So so you have to excuse my singing, but if you want to sing along with this. Listen to the window, watch the sunrise, running in the shadows, damn your love, damn your life. Okay, and here we are onto the chorus with more chords. And you've got, right, the main way to play this is this shape. And this is our G minor shape. And these fingers on, these fingers barred, right? If that's way too hard, just play these strings, 3 strings here, that's going to be on fret 3. And if you can get a couple other fingers in here as well, like that, or just like that. On this string, we're going to be kind of just like this. Then it's D minor. This shape. This is the sort of B flat shape. And then this shape we haven't done quite yet, which is our sort of C sus2. All those shapes. D minor. With some practice, you'll get the hang of those. All right, and they're singing over the top of that would go. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear you saying you will never break the chain. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. Still hear you saying you will never break the chain. And then you go back to the picky riff. And those are the 2 main sections. And you can kind of piece those together. So I'm not going to go through the whole solo in this lesson, but here's the riff. At the end of that, after the second chorus, there's this little picky bit that's slightly different. Okay, so you hold that D chord shape, and we're going to kind of strum and play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then go to this shape. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Finger in, next chord. And then it leads you into this. This is drop D, by the way, on the E string. Here's how you play that on the guitar, but obviously it's played on bass. So that's 5, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, 3, 5. And then you can play the open A and then the open D string at the bottom. And chord wise, it's just playing this G minor kind of shape. Singing. Just kind of over and over. Till the end, pretty much, and that's pretty much it. Those chords just carry on, and as I said, instead of playing that shape, you can make it easy. Or just like that. Either you bar all these 3 or just these 2, and you've got these other fingers here. my easy version.